Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the divisors of 30. If you want to learn more about divisor, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. Let's find all the divisors of 30. We will start from 1. Now 30 divided by 1 is 30. So 1 and 30 are the divisors of 30. If we divide 30 by 2, we get 15. So 2 and 15 are the divisors of 30. Now 30 divided by 3 is 10. So 3 and 10 are the divisors of 30. Next number 4 does not divide 30. So we will try for 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Hence, 5 and 6 are the divisors of 30. Next number 6 is already here. So we will stop right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 30 which are in orange colors. These are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So the total number of divisors of 30 is 8. Now if we look at the divisor, we can see that 2, 3 and 5 among these numbers are prime numbers because these three numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and that number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 30 are 2, 3 and 5. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.